Good afternoon, students. Today, Wednesday, May 19th. We finished ASP. We're on to Target Grammar 4. That's right. Take out your Target Grammar, your favorite book and mine, and turn to page 35 and 36. Very good. Oh, I do need that. 35 and 36. I'll give you 1 minute. Very good. Page 35, 36. If. We use if to talk. Here, let me zoom in. We use if to talk about a future possibility. If it rains tomorrow, we can't go on a picnic. We can play a game if we have time. So we use those two things. Can, if can. Can't, if can't. Can we think of a, oh, that didn't work. Magic. Can we think of a sentence using can and if? If, who wants to be an example? Who will I not offend? Let's go with, very good, Ray. If Ray, it's with an E, right? If Ray, what? What does he do? If Ray goes to, where does he go? He goes to school. Ray, do you like school? Oh, great, you love school. Very good. So, if Ray goes to school, he will be happy. Okay? And I realized I just didn't use the word can, so we can figure out where we put it. I'm going to turn if into red. So we use if Ray goes to school, he will be happy. You could say will. However, in this example, we're going to use can. So he can be happy if he goes to school. If we do our homework, we can do well in school. Something like that. If we bring water, we can drink it. However, let's use can't. If it rains, we can't play outside. Something like that, okay? So if can, if can't, you can switch it around. If we can play outside, then it won't rain. Slightly different meaning, but same thing. Boop. If, sentence 1, present simple. What's present simple? Present simple is I run, you run, he runs, she runs, we go, they go, it goes, he goes. That's present simple. If it is hot tomorrow, is the present simple. Right? If it is hot tomorrow, we go to the beach. So the options is can or can't. If it is hot, can you go to the beach? Yes, so we say we can go to the beach. If it's cold, if it's rainy, no. If there's a typhoon, no. 2, if it not rain tomorrow, we can fishing. Okay, that's a little confusing. If it rain. What do we say for rain? If it, no, I know a lot of you want to say if it is, but no. I know this is hot, but rain is an action. This is an adjective, this is a verb. If it does, remember, it does. If it does not rain tomorrow, we can, what? Go fishing. If it does not rain tomorrow, we can go fishing. Very good, I know you got it right. Number 3, you finish your homework, you watch TV. I know you got this one because it's if. F. Big I, little f. If you finish your homework, you can or can't. So your homework is finished. You can watch TV. You can watch TV. Is that true? Can you watch TV if you finish your homework? You shouldn't. You should be writing more homework. 4, if the boys finish their work, they can or can't go home. So if the boys finish their work, then yes, they can go home. Number 5, if I fail the exam, I play a video game. Fail. What is fail? Fail means you got, I think it's under 70%. Is that right? 70 I think is okay, but if you got 69% or under on your test, on your exam, is your mom, dad gonna be very happy? Probably not, no. So you say, I can or can't play a video game. Think about it. Let's say you had your GE test, and what'd you get? Oh, you didn't study. Oh, you didn't listen to the teacher. Oh, you were playing in the back. You got 30%. Your mom and dad are like, very good. You can play video games. No, they will say no. They will probably hit you, kick you a few times. Probably won't give you food for a week. If I fail the exam, I can't play video games. Don't forget the apostrophe. Make it look clean. That doesn't look as good. All right, did you finish? Good, let's move on. This is boy with blonde hair and boy with brown hair. Where do you go if you want ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba? So this is a question pattern. I ask, where do you go if you want to buy fish? If I want to buy fish, I go to the fish market. Where do you go if you want to learn English? If I want to learn English, I go to English school. Where do you go if you want to see a lion? If I want to see a lion, I go to the zoo. Something like that, okay? Pretty easy. 1. This is an example. Where do you go if you want a book? Where do you go if you want a book? You have to complete the sentence. You could just say the library, but we want to make a good sentence, very nice sentence. If you want a book, if I want a book, I go to a library. Library, you can read a book, borrow a book. You can also say bookstore. It's where you buy a book. 2, where do you go? You want to mail a letter. This one, you just follow the grammar pattern. Where do you go if you want to mail a letter? What is mail a letter? What's this thing? Oh, actually, that's not too bad. That's an envelope. You want to write a letter to your grandma, you put it in an envelope, and you mail it. So you write her name, and then you put a little stamp on it, and then it goes, mail it. If I want to mail a letter, I go to a post office. Very good. 3, where do you go if you want to a movie? What do we say? You want a movie. We say watch a movie. You can also say see a movie. See a movie is okay. But I'm going to write watch. If you want to watch a movie. B, if I, oh wait, it says see here. Okay, let's be consistent. You can say watch, you can say see. If I want to see a movie, I go to a movie theater. Or you could just say theater. Very good. I go to a movie theater or a theater. Very good. We finished this part. If you want, read again to understand the grammar pattern. All right, last page. This is page 36, target grammar. If, then. We'll do that. Ready? 1. If we throw a piece of paper into the sea, it on top. Piece of paper. You have a piece of paper, you throw it into the ocean, into the sea. Is it going to go, ooh, no. The water, it'll just kind of be on top. We say float. And remember, we use the present simple tense. It has floated. No, that's past. Past participle, I believe. Floated, that's past tense. Floats on top. Number 2. Because, why, if. I don't know yet. We have to look. You put your hand in water, it will get wet. Because, why, or if. Very good. You know the grammar says if. 3. If you run around in the hot, hot sun, you hot. Remember, we're using the simple present tense. You got hot? No, because this is present tense. Gets, we never say you get, so that doesn't make sense either. You will get hot. Very good. Number 4. What, when, where Tom fell off the bike? He cried loudly. Tom's a little girl, I guess. What, when, or where? What do you think? That's right, it's when. When Tom fell off his bike, he cried loudly. I wish Tom would be a little quieter when he cries. 5. There was no salt. When, where, because Sally forgot to buy some. So there's no salt. What is salt? See if I can draw a salt shaker. This is a little, if you want to put it on a pizza, hamburger, salt. There was no salt. This is answering why. Why was there no salt? Because Sally forgot to buy some. Number 6, Emma could not write because and but she had no pen. So the question is, why could she not write? This answers why. Why? Well, because she had no pen. Because. 7, if it will rain, rains, is raining tomorrow, the girls will bring umbrellas with them. Over here, we just use the simple present, same thing. If it rains tomorrow, the girls will bring umbrellas. Why won't the boys? I don't know. 8, we will be late that if which the bus doesn't come soon. What do you think? This is if. We will be late if the bus doesn't come soon. Number 9, Mr. Lee will be angry if the answer was, will be, is wrong. This one's quite tough. What do you think? We know it's not was because it's talking past. Will be wrong or is wrong? What do you think? I think it was is, but it could also be will be. So we're going to check. Just to be sure. Oh, very good. So, Mr. Lee will be angry if the answer is wrong. Why is it is? Because we already said will be. This is the future, so we need to use the simple. 10. Peter must go to a doctor if he will be, was, is sick. What do you think? Peter must go to a doctor if he is sick. That's right. Number 11. Hold on, let me erase real quick so we can see. If we want to buy tables or chairs, we go to the furniture store. That's right. It's go. We go to the furniture store. 12. Which, why, when. The cat ran by, the dog ran after it. Which, why, or when? Which the cat? No. Why the cat? No. When the cat? 13. If you drop a glass, it broke, has broken, breaks. Simple present, it breaks. Number 14. If they will go shopping, they will spend all their money. Present simple, simple present. If they go shopping, they will spend all their money. Last one. If Kevin sees an ice cream truck, Kevin, where did you find an ice cream truck? He will buy, he bought, he buys an ice cream cone. If, simple present, he, future, you will say will buy. Because it's an if, we don't know. If he sees an ice cream truck, he will buy an ice cream cone. And this sounds correct. Do you know why? Because what's an ice cream cone? This is an ice cream cone, right? Kevin, why do you just buy the ice cream cone? That's a very interesting thing. Because this is the ice cream bit, right? Oh, and maybe you get 3. How do you get 3? Oh, maybe you get 2 with a weird ear on the side. This is the ice cream. We say ice cream in a cone, but this is just the ice cream cone. So, I hope you learned this lesson. If we see an ice cream truck, we will buy an ice cream cone. Future tense, simple present. A little tricky, but you're smart. So, good job, everybody. That is finished GE. Nope, that's finished target grammar. Then next we have GE.